Hello everyone. Today in this session we will learn the basic concepts related to geometry. In that we will learn now the coordinate geometry. So what is coordinate geometry? A system of geometry where the position of points on the plane is described using an ordered pair of numbers. French mathematician René Descartes, he was the founder of coordinate geometry. Now first, coordinate geometry, in that we will learn coordinate plane. So coordinate plane is what? Two-dimensional plane. It is two-dimensional plane formed by intersection of a vertical line, see this vertical line, and a horizontal line called x-axis. So it is what? Intersection of vertical line called y-axis and horizontal line called x-axis. This xo x prime, that is this axis xo x prime, this is what? Horizontal line is called x-axis, and this line, that is vertical line yo y prime, is called y-axis. And these are perpendicular lines that intersect each other at 0. So these two lines, that is x-axis and y-axis, both are perpendicular to each other at 0, and this point is called origin. So the point where axes cross is called the origin, and is where both x and y are 0. And axes, you know, AXIS is singular and AXES is plural. So this origin, x-axis, y-axis. So x-axis what? Horizontal line, and y-axis is vertical line. And this x-axis, y-axis together form the coordinate plane. Now the coordinate plane where x-axis, see horizontal line xo x prime, on the x-axis the values to the right of the origin are positive, okay, and left of the origin is negative. So the values, that is the horizontal line towards the right of the origin, is positive. So this is called positive x-axis. And similar way, the horizontal line towards the left of the origin is negative x-axis. So see, the values are also negative, -5, -10, -15. So this is negative x-axis, this is positive x-axis. Similarly, the vertical line above the origin is positive. See 5, 10, 15, 20, so on, these all are positive. So this is called positive y-axis, and where the values are also positive. And the vertical line towards below of the origin, okay, below of the origin is negative. So this is called negative y-axis, where values are negative, -5, -10, -15, -20, and so on. So this above 0 positive y-axis, below 0 negative y-axis. So right of this origin is positive x-axis, left of the origin is negative x-axis. Now The next concept, quadrant. So these axes, both x-axis and y-axis, cut the coordinate plane into 4 equal sections. 4 equal sections, and each section is known as quadrant. That is, the given plane has 4 equal divisions by origin called quadrant. That is quadrant 1 or first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. See the sign of the first quadrant, where x is positive, y is positive. That is, the values of x is positive, y is also positive. So the sign of the first quadrant is plus plus. Okay, and same way in second quadrant, x values is negative because it is left of the origin, so the values are negative, so the sign of x minus, but y is positive, so the sign of second quadrant will be minus plus. See third quadrant, where x is, the values of x is negative and y is also negative because it is below the origin, so minus minus, the sign of the third quadrant will be minus minus. And fourth quadrant, where x is positive but y is negative, this quadrant, so values of x are positive, values of y is negative, so its sign will be plus minus. So the first quadrant have the sign plus plus, second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant minus minus, and fourth quadrant will be plus minus. Now the next concept will be abscissa. See here, abscissa means what? The abscissa is the x coordinate of a point on the coordinate plane. That is the distance along the horizontal axis. Okay, you know how to measure the distance along the horizontal axis, that is the reference point will be origin only. So if you have the point as minus 3 comma minus 2, then what is the abscissa? Abscissa will be minus 3 because your x coordinate here, that is measured from origin, that is distance along horizontal axis measured from origin, will be minus 3. Okay, so here for this coordinate the abscissa will be minus 3. And same way if you have the example 1 comma 2, okay, if it comes somewhere here, so 1 comma 2, so 1 is what? The distance measured from origin along x axis is 1, and 2 is what? The distance measured from origin along y axis, 1 comma 2. In that 1 will be the abscissa. Okay, so 1 comma 2 comes under first quadrant, and this minus 3 minus 2 comes under the third quadrant. So because the sign of x is also negative, y is also negative, minus 3 comma minus 2 is third quadrant, so it is written here in third quadrant. So where minus 3 is abscissa. So next will be ordinate. Now here the next concept comes as ordinate. Same way, abscissa will be the x coordinate and the ordinate will be the y coordinate of a point. See, the y coordinate of a point on the coordinate plane, its distance from the x axis measured parallel to the y axis. Okay, so here minus, same example, if you have the coordinate as minus 3 comma minus 2, coordinate point minus 3 comma minus 2, which comes under the third quadrant, in that minus 2 will be the ordinate. Okay, minus 3 is abscissa and minus 2 will be the ordinate. If you have the example 2 comma 1, okay, which comes under the first quadrant, 2 plus 2 plus 1. So in that 2 will be the distance measured along origin horizontal, okay, along x axis, so 2, and 1 will be the, that is the distance measured along y axis, positive y axis. So 2 comma 1, in that 1 will be the ordinate and 2 will be the abscissa. So I hope this is clear to you. Ordinate and abscissa. Abscissa is x coordinate and ordinate will be the y coordinate. Okay. So now answer the following questions. So first question, how many quadrants are there? Already I told you. How many quadrants are there? Yes, that is 4 quadrants. Well done. If your answer is right, well done. So if you are wrong, try again. So if second question, minus 1 comma 0. Next question, minus 1 comma 0 lies in which quadrant? See, x is negative, okay, y is 0. I want to tell you one more thing here. The coordinate of a points on x axis are of the form x comma 0. Always when your coordinates are in horizontal line, okay, along, that is on the x axis, they are of the form x comma 0, and the points on the y axis are always of the form 0 comma y, that is the y coordinate will be 0 along y axis. Okay, so here the minus 1 comma 0, where your x coordinate is 0, you see minus 1, sorry, y coordinate will be 0, minus 1 comma 0. So therefore it is along x axis, but it is negative x axis. So here x axis is given, you see, that is fourth option will be right, on x axis. So if you are given the right answer, correct answer, well done. If it is wrong, try again, go for the next question. Find the ordinate in minus 3 comma 2, sorry, minus 3 comma minus 2. So I already told you abscissa, ordinate, minus 3 comma minus 2, in that what is ordinate? Is it minus 3 is ordinate? Here the next question will be, find the abscissa in minus 3 comma minus 2. So the options are minus 3 comma minus 2 is abscissa, abscissa is fourth quadrant, minus 2 is abscissa, and fourth option will be minus 3 is abscissa. So minus 3 comma minus 2 comes under fourth quadrant because it is x is negative, y is also negative, minus minus, that is minus 3 comma minus 2. I already told you the x coordinate will be the abscissa and y coordinate will be the ordinate. So here minus 3 is abscissa. Okay, that is the fourth option will be the right one. Well done if you are given the right answer. Thank you. Thank you.